Welcome to Viking Pump's Quick Tips series. This video will guide you through the installation of a new Ptfe mechanical seal into a universal seal pump. Featured pumps are component sealed pumps where the seal is located in the stuffing box of the pump bracket. Before you begin, please consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. To begin, the bearing housing will need to be removed. Please consult our component seal installation video for steps on this procedure. After the bearing housing has been removed, begin by removing the seal holder from the shaft. Remove the fiber gasket, stationary seal face, and the Ptfe gasket. Remove the pipe plug to access the seal set screws. For most sizes, this is the first pipe plug. For N, R, and RS sizes, it's the second 1/4 inch pipe plug, not the first 1/8 inch plug. Use an Allen wrench to loosen all 4 seal set screws. Turn the shaft to locate each set screw through the access hole. Once loosened, the seal can be pulled easily from the shaft by hand. To gain access to the seal, use the Allen wrench to carefully push the seal forward. If the seal is not easily removed, confirm the set screws are loose and try again. Inspect the shaft for any scratches or wear that may damage the new seal. Next, install the tapered seal installation sleeve. The LS size pump does not use one. Start the rotary portion of the seal onto the shaft. Stop once you get past the seal installation sleeve. Remove the sleeve. Remove the seal setting clips. Once removed, you will feel the seal engage with the shaft. Continue to push the seal into the stuffing box until the set screws are directly below the seal access hole in the side of the bracket. Insert an Allen wrench into a set screw to prevent the seal from sliding any further down the shaft, but do not tighten the set screws at this time. Next, for H through QS size pumps, install the Ptfe gasket on the stationary seal face and start the face onto the shaft with the gasket side toward the pump. Add the fiber gasket to the seal holder and start onto the shaft with the gasket side toward the pump. For LS, Q, and QS sizes, there is an additional seal holder plate that will need to be installed. For N, R, and RS sizes, install the Ptfe gasket into the seal plate. Install the stationary seat and Ptfe ring into the seal plate, making sure to align the slot on the back of the seal face with the alignment pin in the back of the bore. Place the seal plate with stationary seat onto the shaft. Reinstall the bearing housing. Replace the lock nut and lock washer, and then set the end clearance. Please consult our video, Setting End Clearance, for the proper steps on this procedure. Now that the rotor is set correctly, align the seal set screws in the middle of the access hole. Tighten each set screw to secure the rotary portion of the seal to the shaft. Next, apply thread sealant and reinstall the pipe plug into the bracket access hole. Tighten the gland nuts. Take care to make sure all gaskets stay in place while tightening. Alternate back and forth between gland nuts to evenly close the gap between the Ptfe gasket and stationary seal face. Your pump has a new Ptfe mechanical seal and is ready to be put back into service. For complete repair information, please consult the appropriate technical service manual or visit vikingpump.com for more service videos.